What's up everybody? Welcome to Bonsai in Haag. Today I'm going to do my first repot of this year. It's the 9th April today and I'm going to do the repot of this blue atlas. I did the styling last year. If you haven't seen the video, go check it out. So I'm going to place this in this pot over here. I already prepared the pot. Got this pot at the trophy this year, and the tree, it's a little bit ambitious, but I think it will fit the tree very well if everything goes according to the plan. So the first thing I will do, I'll take the tree out of the pot and start to take all of the soil away carefully without damaging the roots, and then see how we can secure the tree in the pot and fill it up with soil. My soil mix is this akadama, pumice, bit of lava rock, and I will top it off with some sphagnum moss. So first thing we need to do is to cut the wire where the tree is secured off and see how we're going to do it. We'll start by removing the wire and then carefully removing the soil. So now that I removed all the soil, I'll put the tree aside, and the pot was already prepared. If you don't know how to prepare a pot, check it out, one of my other repotting videos where I show how you can cut the mesh, and there's a lot of videos about that. So now first thing I'm going to do to put a layer of soil underneath. Okay, let me get the tree and then come back and I can fix the tree inside the top, and then we can fill the pot up with the soil. Okay, we got the tree back. And now I'm going to try to fixate the tree. Let me see. Inside the pot. So now that I fixated the tree, did a lot of the soil inside, I have to do this quickly, and then I'll place the sphagnum moss on top of it, and then I will water the tree. Now I'll take the tree outside and water it. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. Another repot. This repot is you have to be careful and do it correctly. So that's why I didn't talk too much. You have to secure the tree. Make sure the tree is not moving in the pot, like this one. Now I will protect this tree. I will leave it for the night here in my studio, and then tomorrow morning I can place it back in the benches. And see you next time in Bonsai Den Haag. Don't forget to like and subscribe.